Hi, I'm Don, and this is the Hobbyist Geek. Alright, today we are going to be doing issue 31 of the R2-D2 build, and we have our parts, and it looks like we're going to be continuing on with the right leg here, so let's get this open and see what we've got. So here are the parts that we get with this issue. We've got the outer foot casing, the inner foot casing, the power bus cable monitoring plate, and you're also going to need 6 of the black 6mm screws and the leg assembly from the previous issues. To begin, you're going to want to take the outer casing here, and it's basically just going to slide on here just like that. Make sure you push it in all the way. And you'll notice in here you've got a little hole in the metal and another one over here, and both of those are going to take one of those black screws. All right, now this cable here is going to go to this area, but we're not quite ready to plug it in just yet, so we leave it over just like that. We're going to take the power bus mounting here, and we're going to just slide it in place. And so it just goes in nice and smooth right in there. And we've got the rear casing. This should slide on here fairly easily. You're going to want to be careful with the cabling. But once it's all lined up, should snap into place just like that. And in these 4 holes, more of the 6mm black screws. Not a very long video today, but this leg is really starting to come together and look wonderful. When you're doing this, make sure that you've got your slack on this cable that's right here, because it is going to plug into something that goes into there in a later issue. If you like the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Have a great day.